Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I am beautiful and write beautifully. Today I am going to teach you 15 powerful time expressions. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Number 1. On time. Example, I always arrive at work on time. Number 2. In time. Example, I reached the station in time to catch the train. Number 3. Just in time. Example, he arrived just in time for the meeting. Number 4. In good time. Example, we reached the airport in good time. Number 5. In your own time. Example, take the test in your own time. Number 6. About time. Example, it's about time you cleaned your room. Number 7. Time off. Example, I am taking some time off next week. Number 8. Take your time. Example, take your time, no need to rush. Number 9. To make time. Example, I will make time for exercise every day. 10. Time will tell. Example, only time will tell if he made the right decision. Number 11. Time is money. Example, let's hurry, time is money. Number 12. Time after time. Example, she warned me time after time. 13. In the nick of time. Example, the ambulance arrived in the nick of time. 14. All in good time. Example, don't worry, you will succeed all in good time. 15. A oil of time. Example, we had a oil of time at the beach. What is the difference between in time and on time? What does time will tell mean? Comment your answer below. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English with Shah because you deserve to speak English confidently. Thank you very much.